Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can get access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion mode, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big red button here at the center. We can also decide how much slower we want to have our video, so let's move to this button now. Also at the center we can pick between 3 times slower, just one tap to change this to 4 times slower. Now let's stay for example on 3 times slower, and let me start recording to show you how it works. And now let's tap by tapping again on this button to see the video. Let's move to the left to this one that follows us straight to the gallery. And now we can play our video by tapping on the center. And this is how our slow motion video looks like at this device with 3 times slower option. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.